Let's be honest. Most AI music tools treat you like a complete stranger every time you log in. You spend hours teaching the AI your vibe, but the moment you refresh the page or start a new project, it's all gone. You're back to square one, fighting with the same generic lyrics and struggling with prompt engineering. It's a frustrating cycle of starting over. That is exactly why Meloty AI suddenly became such a massive pivot. They've moved past the simple generation and built a personalized agent system with a persistent memory. It's no longer just a tool you visit, it's your private music lab. Today is my day 15 in the lab, and I'm going to show you how to build your own specialized production team from scratch and how the AI actually learns your creative fingerprint over time. Let's jump into the new dashboard. Right away, you'll notice the agent toggle, but the menu has been completely redesigned. We now collaborate with specialized persona-driven agents. Right here, next to the prompt box, you'll see the agent selection button. Click on that and you'll see all your available specialists, like the rap grinder or the Omni producer. But we want to build our own. Look down at the bottom left of this menu and click the plus Create Agent button. Now we are in the Agent Details Builder. This is where you define the DNA of your producer. I'm building my 90s underground lyricist. Inside this box, I'm going to define the expertise. I'm typing in what I'm looking for. Technical poet and boom-bap historian who focuses on complex internal rhymes and the gritty, street-level storytelling of mid-90s New York. Hit confirm, and here we are. Our specialist agent is now ready. I'm going to hit this button to edit the agent details. Take a look at the wiki section here. This is where the agent's expertise is stored, and check this out. Based on my initial simple request, Meloty has automatically generated this incredibly detailed technical blueprint. Meloty has defined specific production parameters, like BPM ranges from 85 to 95 minor scales for that dark atmosphere, and even a curated list of core instruments like vintage Akai samplers. It even set its own reply style as a gritty boom-bap poet. This is the power of the new update. You provide the vision, and Meloty builds the professional-grade logic to make it a reality. I'm gonna rename our agent here and click Confirm. Let's select him as our agent to move forward. Now here is the real power of the lab concept. Look at this brain icon right below the input area. When I toggle the smart preference memory to on, from there Meloty AI starts learning your creative preferences to provide highly personalized suggestions and tracks as your co-producer. Now our agent is created, smart memory is locked in. Let's start working. To show you how this actually works, we're going to start from scratch. I'm going to enter a simple seed idea, a track about the shadows of a concrete jungle. Because we just built this agent, he's going to give me a solid first draft based on his wiki expertise. We have 3 concepts for our song. I'm selecting concept B and going to the AI co-producer. I want to refine his taste. I'll use the independent chat area on the left. I'm going to tell him, the flow is good, but I want the metaphors to be more industrial, and let's lock in a specific 92 BPM pocket for our future tracks. Watch the agent update the unified concept in real time. Notice this brain icon here. It logs the metadata, the prompt logic, and my feedback directly into the smart preference memory. Let's hit create. Let's check out what came up.
Needle on steel, let the city grind low. Concrete got pressure that the street lights won't show. From the boats in the curb to the rail line rumble, I learned to read smoke in the midnight tunnel. I move through the avenue, rivets of rain in the sirens. Fire escapes hang like rain, I was asleep in the silence. Brick walls, brief furnace, heat brittle and violent. Every doorway, a workshop, every tenant defiant. Carbon on my fingertips, suiting the grammar. Chessboard blocks where the pawns out the hammer. Moonlight splits on she metal by the bodega. Old heads speak like boilers colder than Vega. I catalog echoes from the switchyard chambers. Names cut deep by the vanished and nameless. The city runs angles of form and faceless. I sharpen my cadence on rusted out railings.
Now let's say some time has passed. I'm starting a new session. Normally, with any other AI, I'd have to explain my industrial metaphor and 92 BPM preference all over again. But look at the brain icon below the input area. It's toggled on. I'll type a completely different idea. Rainy night at the shipping docks. Watch this. Because of that previous super like and our chat history, the agent doesn't give me a generic song. It automatically applies the 90 BPM tempo and the industrial lyrical style I taught it earlier. It remembers. But it remembers is easy to say. Let me actually show you how the memory gets built and what's inside it. First, we have the super like feature. See this button on the track? When you click it, you have the options of super like, and dislike. When I hit super like, I'm not just saving the song. I'm telling the AI this is the direction. Do more like this. It logs the prompt, the style, the lyrical choices, all of it, straight into my preference profile. Let me super like this one. Done, and it's marked. Now let's go back to the create page. I'm gonna click on the brain icon, and I'll click into the smart memory detail page right here. And look at this. It's not a black box. This is everything the AI has logged about me specifically. Up top, there's a clean summary of my taste, that I lean industrial, that I'm sitting in that 92 BPM pocket, the kind of imagery I keep coming back to. Below that, it's organized into individual preference cards. Styles I've liked, styles I've passed on, recurring lyrical themes, production choices. Each one is dated, so you can actually watch your creative fingerprint develop over time. And the part that matters, none of this is locked. I can edit any of these records directly. If my taste shifts, if I want to push the agent in a new direction, I just open the card and rewrite it. You stay in control of your own profile. So we already have the BPM locked and the industrial metaphors. Now let's try something else to fixate my taste into the memory. I'm gonna type, avoid generic motivational lyrics and stay away from party themes. And watch. He rewrites the concept on the fly. The motivational phrasing is gone, the party energy stripped out. Clean. Next, let's say, for the future tracks, lock in the themes for me. I want street narrative, paranoia, late night isolation. Let's hit create.
Needle on steel, let the pressure gauge breathe. Smoke in the stairwell, rust under the sleeve. No bright parade where the rail lines tremble. Just black dust settling on a crack instrumental. I move through the avenue, rivets of rain and the sirens. Fire escapes hang like crane arms asleep in the silence. Rape walls breathe, furnace heat, brittle and violent. Every doorway a workshop, every tenant defiant. Carbon on my fingertips.
Okay, now let's super like this and check out the smart memory. Look at that. All our preferences are saved and locked in right here. Dark paranoia-focused preference, and to avoid generic motivational lyrics and party themes. It's not a vague claim that the AI knows you better. It's a real, editable, visible record of your taste, built from every chat and every super like. This is the part no other AI music tool is doing right now. This level of soul is possible because Meloty is powered by flagship models like ChatGPT 5.5 and Claude Opus 4.8. If you compare this to a standard one-click tool like Suno or Udio, the difference in subtext is insane. Look at the lyrics ChatGPT 5.5 just gave us. Standard tools just can't match that lyrical depth. Even if you prefer custom mode for 100% manual control, the agent workflow is still there. If I've pasted in my own manual lyrics and I'm feeling stuck, I click the AI co-producer button on the left to wake up the agent. The AI analyzes my work and gives me mentor-style suggestions. Since we usually go for a boom-bap rhythm, this second verse feels a bit cluttered. Let's simplify the third line. It's objective musical analysis that actually makes me a better producer. While we're in the panel, you'll also see entry points for a few powerful production tools: audio reference, voice cloning, and remix. You can guide a generation with a reference track, clone your own timbre, or remix existing tracks. Handy creative options whenever you need them. Okay, but the final payoff is when you're ready to take the lab work to the DAW. Meloty provides 12-track stem separation and MIDI downloads. You take those individual drums, bass, and synth tracks directly into Ableton or FL Studio to do your final mix. And with the commercial copyright certificate, you own 100% of the rights to monetize your work safely. Meloty AI has turned AI music into a long-term creative partnership. It stops treating you like a stranger and starts building a brand with you. Click the link in the description below to register and get 20% off your first payment. And if you're on mobile and don't want to mess with the link, just use promo code ATC at checkout. That's ATC, 20% off, same deal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.